if you slide it down, no matter how I move, it's locked in.
This is a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for the cell phone. Now Ashish will show how to set the phone and camera. This is the phone.
It comes with little Type-C cable and tripod. Adjust it to make it. This is the box. Phone. Put the phone and see how the gimbal actually works. See. So tighten it.
It's on now. Can you see the light?
The locking mode also here. This is like if you want to full follow mode, it's up there. It's gonna goes into one direction and following the object.
Left, right, up and down, and it can move also sideways.
And then it's down there. If you slide it down, no matter how I move, it's locked into the object that's video shooting. So if I change here into in the middle, it's a half lock, half follow, so I can move and it will follow my hand movements. And this is the little joystick. You can control it like left and right, ups
and down.
and down. So this is really easy to use.
This is another button to take video and pixel.